Several times a year we do a program we call the Developer Choice Days, and it takes some time where the engineering staff and other people who want to participate in that can take ideas that haven't been able to go through our regular development process, and maybe it's something new they want to try out or a problem that they haven't been able to quite get solved, and they want to take a few days to work on that and figure out an interesting idea or solution and see if there's something that can germinate from that. We take those days and set them aside out of the calendar to bring out that creativity and see what kind of programs, ideas, projects, solutions people can develop. And after a few days that we've set aside for that, we have a presentation at the end where each person who's participated, or the teams, if multiple people have teamed up together, they can get together and present what they learned, what they've developed, and show that off to everybody so that we can all see and evaluate those ideas and see which ones might be great ones to add as new official projects to finish out and turn into something that faces out to customers, whether those be external or internal, and really solves a problem or introduces a new idea in the process that can help us grow.
The Dev Days were a great opportunity to be able to go in and learn about how different aspects of the code work that I wasn't used to touching here, that I hadn't touched before, as well as be able to kind of show that I was able to do something that people here haven't done yet, and that maybe we can do with our existing code, and so that was really fun. A lot of what you have to do is not only say like, yeah, I made this really cool piece of code and it does X, Y, and Z, but also I made this really cool piece of code and it lets us do X, Y, and Z, which I think is a little bit different than what a lot of people are used to, especially as a developer, of just, I'm gonna be writing my code and that's it, and it'll go up and somebody else will tell somebody what it does. So that was a cool experience.
8 minutes is what we have to present, so you have to be really prepared that you are able to say everything in the 8 minutes. So there's been this idea going on in my head, and I didn't really know, if it would be worth the time and everything. And the other day I bumped into our CEO David Spitz, and for whatever reason there was nobody in the cafeteria, and I just thought maybe I should just ask him if it was relevant. He seemed to think that it was a good idea, and in fact he even gave me suggestions on who I should talk to, and that really motivated me. So in the presentation I was able to tie everything together, the business and the technical side.
I really like it because I get to see new things and new ideas that I've not seen before. It's people who can bring in a whole new idea, people who can think about it in a different way, and they can show us that everybody has great ideas to contribute, whether they be huge or small. All of them are valuable in different ways, and we can use those to help everything grow and become better.